Hello friends, today I am going to share the recipe of coconut chutney which is called Vepila Katti in Malayalam, and this is a dry powder which you can use with idli or other dishes. This is a very tasty and long lasting dish which you can try at home with the minimum ingredients. Let's see what are the ingredients. Chilli powder 2½ teaspoon, black pepper 1½ teaspoon, salt 1 scoop 1 teaspoon full, grated coconut of 1 coconut full. And this is what gives such a flavor for this chutney, that is curry leaves. I have taken 1 small bowl full of curry leaves. You can add as much as curry leaf you like. Even you can add 2 bowls, doesn't matter. And this is an exceptional ingredient. Usually we use small onions for this chutney, as it is not available here. I have cut half of the onion and I have sliced it into very thin pieces. And next one is tamarind. It is 1½ teaspoon, or you can say a small ball which is of the size of a cherry. Take out the seeds and keep it ready for grinding. And this is an exceptional ingredient which I am adding for the flavor, which makes this chutney very tasty and enriched with the flavor, that is lemon leaves. I hope now you have seen all the ingredients. Now let's see the process. Keep a pan on the stove. When it is hot, add 1 teaspoon of oil. Only 1 teaspoon of oil. You can use any kind of oil which is edible for this. Add the coconut into the hot oil. And stir it continuously till it is half brown. When it turns to be light brown in color, like this, add the onion into it. Onion must be fried very well, thoroughly, otherwise the chutney will get spoiled. Add the onion, stir it well. You can add black pepper also along with this. Once the onions are totally fried and the coconut turns to be dark brown in color, add the lemon leaves and curry leaves into it. Stir it very well. Now the coconut has totally turned into brown color. Now add the chilli powder and stir. You may remember to keep the stove in swim mode throughout this process. Otherwise the ingredients will burn and lose the flavor. And this chutney requires minimum 15 minutes of your time for preparing this. So try to do it when you have ample time with you during weekends or otherwise on holidays. Now the coconut is dark brown in color. You can see the leaves and the onion are dried up totally. And now it is time for you to add salt into it. After adding the chilli powder, you stir it only for 2 to 3 minutes. Otherwise the chilli powder will burn. After adding the salt, only 1 minute you stir it. Now off the stove, add the tamarind and stir it until it is cool. Put the dry mixture into a small jar and grind it roughly. Grind it into powder consistency like this. If you grind for a long time, then the oil from this coconut will come out and it will be a paste. So grind it only for a very short duration. Stop it and check it in between whether it has turned into powder. If not, continue once again, and you should be very careful while you are grinding this mixture. It should not turn into paste. Now mix it very well. Our chutney is ready. The dry coconut chutney, which you can preserve for years, is ready. Use fresh curry leaves and lemon leaves for preparing this dish. Add only 10 to 12 lemon leaves, which is small in size only for this chutney, otherwise it will be bitter. Try it, and if you like it, make it and try it once at home and subscribe my channel. Thank you.